Hey guys, welcome to my channel Programming with Viswa. In this video session, we are going to understand the basic of batch scripting, window batch scripting. You can find this complete chapter tutorial and notes inside my blog. I will give this blog link and this chapter link in the video description below. Please check it out. Those who are new to my channel guys, please hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon for future notification. If you ended up liking my video, click on the like button and share with your friend. Let's start. So what is a batch file? Batch file is a script file in DOS, operating system 2 and Microsoft Windows. This script file contains series of command or single command to execute in command line interpreter. Batch file interactively accept the construct that enable conditional branching and looping the batch file. Just if, conditional, looping, the for loop, and branching like go to level. The use of batch file are often used to load the program. Like I want to load a program while my system is reboot, means on startup. So I can write a bash script to load specific program and keep in startup folder and run multiple process at a single time, multi-threading, and it will very less impact on Windows system. Let's say I want to send some email like system, let's say I am a system admin and every day I want to send particular system information, the disk space, the processor information to me. So if I go through other programming language, separate programming language, I may require separate framework to run this. But in case of DOS, you don't require any kind of separate framework. The window itself the interpreter for DOS. So it is very useful and handy. So today we are going to see our first batch program, Hello World, basic one. So for this, what are the keywords normally we are going to use? So these are the keywords today we are going to use. @ echo on and echo off. What is to use to enable and disable the echo or displaying on the screen. Okay, then echo, it display the string on the screen value. Pause, this pause suspend execution of batch file and display the message. Press any key to continue and waiting for user input. Percentile date percentile, we can display the current date. Same percentile time percentile, display the current time. So let's go to the practical and see how we can write our first hello world application. For this guy, you don't require any kind of software, you don't require any kind of extra third-party application. Just your window is enough for this and your notepad. So I'm going to open notepad. So first thing I'm going to do means it will not accept for input. In means it will not wait for input. Next, I'm going to display hello world. So for this I told show you echo. So next, if I write this much and save this, I'm saving this file. I have a separate folder created for this saving batch file. I'm keeping here .bat. Batch file extension is must be bat. And here save as, just click on all file, okay, and save. Now go to the particular path. You can see one batch file is created. Here it is type in Windows batch file. Double click on this. You can see one black screen window is coming in. Automatically it's disappearing. The reason, we need to stop the screen. Okay, save it. Next, open. So you can see hello world. Press any key to continue. So this particular pause keyword hold the screen for user input. If I put enter any key here, it's disappearing the screen. Next, we are going to display date time. So go to the notepad. Again, wait for user input. Save. Run this. First thing coming for hello world, then waiting for user input. So here I press enter. Now coming date, time, and waiting for again user input. So you got the idea how we can display hello world and other date and time. Next thing is, before displaying date and time, I want to clear all the older hello world record. So for this, I am just going to use DOS command cls. Save it. Now, if I press enter, the existing hello world is removed and new text like time and date and time is came. So you got the idea. And one more thing, here you can see the title. Here it's coming Windows system32/cmd.exe. I want to give title of this. So for this, actually we will use title. Let's say first up. Save it. Now run it. So you can see this title is coming fast up. So you got the idea about how we can display hello world, how we can display date and time, how we can set the title of our batch application. For today video, this much guys. In next session, I will going to show you some other keywords and other logic in batch scripting. Thank you.